Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss how our IELTS reading scores marks and what score gives you which band. So, starting from the top, a score from 39-40 gives you a band 9, while 37 to 38 gives you 8.5 and 35 to 36 gives you band 8. In my view, these are excellent scores. Band score from 8 to 9 shows that you are very proficient in English, okay, in every term, be it reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Score of 33 to 34, 30 to 32, and 27 to 29 gives you band 6.5 for 27 to 29. 30 to 32 gives you a band of 7, and 33 to 34 gives you a band 7.5. Okay, now in my view this is average. Okay, while scores from 15 to 18, 19 to 22, and 23 to 26 in my view are below average. Okay, 15 to 18 gives you a score of band 5, 19 to 22 gives you a band score of 5.5, and 23 to 26 gives you a band 6. Now why I say this is below average? This is because scores below this show that you do not have grasp of the language. You're just trying to learn the language, okay? While these scores are below average. Many countries have band 6 as their requirement. Many universities, many colleges have band 6 as their requirement. Okay? While very few countries, there are some countries, but very few countries have a requirement of band 5 also. Your target should be at least band 6. Your first target should be band 6, while your end goal should be band 9. Okay? The journey from band 6 to band 9 should take about 6 months. 6 months, why? If you study for 4 days a week, okay, you might take 6 months. Okay, this is a conservative estimate. Always make sure that you try to get better marks, not just the minimum requirement. Your aim should be higher than minimum. So this was about how your marks will be evaluated in IELTS Reading Academic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button